Hi everyone, welcome to SN43 official YouTube channel, where we explore the world of illustration and creativity. Today I'm excited to share with you the process of bringing to life a character commission named Captain Cat, originally created by the talented KOFFYY, and requested by Sir Chris. Let's dive right in. First, we start with the initial sketch. Capturing the essence of Captain Cat's character was crucial. I focused on her confident posture and added details like her distinctive gun blade, symbolizing her authority as a commander. With the sketch complete, I moved on to creating clean line art. This stage required precision, especially in defining Captain Cat's features and the intricate design of her gun blade. Now, it's time to add color. I chose a bold color palette to reflect Captain Cat's strong personality and leadership qualities. Her uniform and accessories were carefully colored to enhance her military commander aesthetic. Adding shadows and highlights brings Captain Cat to life. I paid close attention to light sources and reflections to create a sense of depth and realism, especially considering her eye injury that affects her depth perception. With the illustration almost complete, I added final touches to ensure every detail is perfect. This included refining edges, adjusting colors, and adding texture to certain elements for a more polished look. And there you have it, the process of illustrating Captain Cat, a character with a rich backstory and strong presence. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on art and creativity. And don't forget to drop in comment section your favorite character for me to draw next. Until next time, keep imagining, creating, and having fun.